Drone producer DJI has announced its newest model just in time for the holidays. Only a year after launching the original Neo camera drone, the company is rolling out a new and improved version, the Neo 2. It could be a perfect drone for beginners, but it may not be for sale in the United States. One of the Neo 2's standout features is its hands-free operation. The drone requires no controller and no license thanks to its compact size. Its shrouded propellers and lightweight 5-ounce build make it easy to carry without worrying about damage. The Neo 2 is built for agility in the air and equipped with LiDAR sensors that detect and avoid obstacles. While capturing footage, the drone responds to gesture controls, or voice commands issued through the user's phone or via Bluetooth. Simple motions like waving your hand can summon the drone back to your palm, and if needed, you can pair the drone with phone-based remote controls. Performance-wise, the Neo 2 packs plenty of capability. It can reach speeds of up to 27 miles per hour and maintain a Wi-Fi connection with your phone from nearly 550 yards away. A single charge provides around 19 minutes of flight time, and its 49 gigabytes of onboard storage can hold up to 105 minutes of crisp 4K video. The gimbal-mounted camera captures 12 megapixel photos with improved detail and color accuracy over the first Neo model. With a few taps, users can access cinematic zoom, action capture, and a range of other preset shooting modes. Retailing for $275, the Neo 2's biggest uncertainty is whether it will ever reach the US market. As of now, DJI is expected to be blocked from releasing new products in the United States starting December 23rd, as it waits to complete a formal national security audit.